Ready ji, English speed 80, start. Punjab has decided to adopt Centre's revised post-matric scholarship scheme for scheduled caste within bracket SC students announced in December last year, but has sought its implementation from retrospective effect. Stop era. It wants the scheme to be implemented from 2017-18, instead of 2020-21. Stop. Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has also written to the centre in this regard. Stop. Around rupees 1200 crore is pending with the centre under the centrally sponsored scheme for 3 years, as it had discontinued the previous scholarship scheme in 2017. Stop era. With the completion of the work to upgrade tracks and signal system between Sahnewal Ludhiana section and the approval accorded by the Commissioner of Railway Safety, many trains on New Delhi Ludhiana section would soon be running at a speed of 130 km per hour, thereby curtailing the journey time. Stop para. Trials for the purpose have already commenced. Stop. Presently, most trains on this section operate at a speed ranging between 65 and 110 within bracket highest kilometer per hour. Stop era. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has asserted that the law pertaining to communication of secret information in drug cases has been diluted to some extent following amendments to the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, and the accused could not take advantage of a Supreme Court judgment on the issue. Stop. The assertion came almost 19 years after Section 42 of the Act was amended. Stop era. Justice G.S. Gill asserted the law was much more stringent in the pre-amendment era. Stop. Omission to transmit secret information, single inverted comma, began immediately, single inverted comma, closed upon its receipt would constitute violation. Stop. But upon amendment, the requirement was within inverted commas diluted to some extent, in as much as 72 hours for doing the same were provided. Stop. The assertion in a drugs case came with reference to a Supreme Court judgment in Darshan Singh's case. Stop era. The counsel for the petitioners seeking bail, inverted commas, began vehemently argued, inverted commas, closed, that the FIR was registered pursuant to receipt of secret information pertaining to storage of contraband in a building. Stop. It was required to be immediately taken down in writing and conveyed to the officer superior to the receiver of the secret information. Stop. As the same was done, it resulted in violation of mandatory provisions of Section 42 of the Act. Stop. As such, the entire recovery stood vitiated. Stop. Consequently, the petitioners deserved to be released on bail. Stop para. The counsel also placed, inverted commas, began much reliance, inverted commas, closed, on the judgment in Darshan Singh's case, in which no intimation whatsoever was sent by the investigating officer who